Here we are coming into base Borden, two-way traffic at the present time. And here's the guard shack. You can see that, anyhow, you can see that go straight ahead, no left-hand turn, no right, and there's a right-hand turn option. We're going to proceed straight along this road. As you can see from the two signs on the right-hand side, 2 lanes, 1 direction. We are now on a one-way street, currently driving in the right lane. We're going to shift to the left lane because that is a good move. And this is what I was doing on the night in question, driving along in the left lane of this vehicle. And if we just observe the right-hand side of the road, it's 60 kilometers along here. There's no indication that all of a sudden the lane will change to two-way traffic. So we'll just drive along this road for about a kilometer. So I'm getting good and comfortable driving along in the left-hand lane because it's a one-way, as we see from that sign there, one-way. And I'm in the left-hand lane, as I was at the night in question. I should also mention at this point it's a nice bright sunny day, but the night in question there were snow-covered roads. Lane markings on this highway is not very good, compound the fact that there was a slight snow covering on the road, very much like you can see right here. I can't really see any markings on the road at all. So we continue to drive along in the left lane as I did in the night in question. So what's happening now is we're coming up to a bit of a curvature in the road, and there's an uphill, slight uphill and a curve in the road, and the traffic comes down to 40 kilometers, which is what we're actually doing now, 40 kilometers. So we just carry on here. There is a traffic light up ahead, but there's no indication that the lane I am currently in will be coming to an end. I am continuing to drive, no indication that this lane ends. The night in question, the light was actually green. Take a look, I'm aligning myself to that straight through arrow, and I'm in the left lane. That's what happened the night. Oh, very short distance. If you look, there's an overhead, it says you have to turn left. I'm now in the left lane. I need to turn to the right lane, otherwise I will be opposing traffic. Wasn't a lot of time to make that determination. And other than, as you can see on the right hand side, there's a little sign there that indicates that it's two-way traffic. Well, what happened on the night in question was I was actually in the left lane there still, and when I realized that, I made a quick lane correction to the right hand lane. And that is what started this fiasco, is that they felt, reported by somebody in another vehicle, that I was driving and swerving all the road. Well, reality is, no, I wasn't. I just made a quick lane correction because that poor signage in that intersection, not much indication that I was going to be finding myself in opposing traffic. No warning signage, just one small sign on the right hand side that says this is now two-way traffic. So that's what led up to this circumstance. That was a very poorly designed intersection at nighttime with snow covered. I basically had to align myself to the overhead arrow. Had no real forewarning that I was going to be on in the wrong lane. So that's basically the synopsis of what happened that night.